Welcome to today's video on the 10 best drinks for weight loss. If you are trying to lose weight, what you drink matters as much as what you eat. Most people focus on food but forget that liquid calories add up quickly. Sugary drinks, sodas, and artificial juices can slow down your progress. On the other hand, healthy drinks can speed up fat loss and improve your metabolism. The right drinks not only support weight loss but also keep you energized and healthy. In this video, we will reveal the top 10 drinks that you can include in your routine. Each drink has unique properties that help burn fat, reduce cravings, and boost metabolism. Some of them you already know, but others may surprise you. So let's get started with the best drinks for weight loss. Drink number 1 is water. Water is the simplest and most effective drink for weight loss. It has 0 calories, yet it is essential for every body function. Drinking water before meals can reduce appetite and prevent overeating. It keeps you hydrated, which helps your metabolism run efficiently. Sometimes your body confuses thirst with hunger, leading to extra snacking. Drinking enough water prevents this mistake and supports fat burning. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. For added benefit, drink a glass of water before each meal. This small step can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Drink number 2 is green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular drinks for fat burning. It contains antioxidants called catechins that speed up metabolism. Green tea also contains a small amount of caffeine, which increases energy. Studies show that green tea helps burn more calories during exercise. It is best consumed without sugar for maximum benefit. Drinking 2 to 3 cups a day can improve fat oxidation. Green tea also helps reduce belly fat over time. It is refreshing, hydrating, and perfect for weight management. Make it part of your daily routine for lasting results. Drink number 3 is lemon water. Lemon water is simple yet powerful for weight loss. It boosts digestion and helps the liver detoxify naturally. Lemons contain vitamin C, which supports metabolism and fat burning. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning kickstarts your day. It reduces bloating and improves hydration. The sour taste also curbs cravings for sugary foods. It is a natural alternative to calorie-loaded juices or sodas. You can drink lemon water before meals to reduce appetite. This drink is refreshing, healthy, and very easy to prepare. Drink number 4 is apple cider vinegar with water. Apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to control appetite. It slows down stomach emptying, making you feel full longer. This reduces calorie intake naturally and supports weight loss. ACV also improves blood sugar control and digestion. It should always be diluted with water to avoid harming teeth. Drinking 1 to 2 teaspoons in a glass of water is enough. It is best consumed before meals to control hunger. Do not overuse it, as too much can cause side effects. Used correctly, apple cider vinegar can be a powerful weight loss tool. Drink number 5 is black coffee. Coffee is not only an energy booster but also a fat burner. It increases metabolism and helps burn calories faster. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the nervous system to release fat. Black coffee before workouts improves endurance and performance. It suppresses appetite and prevents unnecessary snacking. Make sure to avoid sugar, cream, and syrups. Plain black coffee is almost 0 calories. 1 to 2 cups per day are enough for most people. Coffee can be a great addition to a weight loss plan. Drink number 6 is ginger tea. Ginger is a natural thermogenic food that burns calories. It improves digestion and reduces bloating. Drinking ginger tea regularly can help reduce body fat. It also suppresses appetite and keeps cravings under control. Ginger increases fat breakdown and boosts metabolism. It is especially effective in reducing belly fat. You can combine ginger with lemon for extra benefits. It also strengthens immunity and reduces inflammation. Ginger tea is a warming, soothing drink for weight loss. Drink number 7 is green smoothie with leafy vegetables. Blending spinach, kale, cucumber, and celery creates a nutrient-rich drink. Green smoothies are low in calories but high in fiber. They keep you full and reduce hunger naturally. Fiber slows digestion, which helps control appetite. Adding fruits like apple or pineapple improves taste. Avoid adding sugar or sweetened yogurt to keep it healthy. Green smoothies provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They detoxify the body and support fat metabolism. 1 glass in the morning is a powerful start to your day. Drink number 8 is herbal teas. Teas like chamomile, hibiscus, and peppermint aid digestion. They are naturally free from calories and sugar. Herbal teas help reduce bloating and water retention. They calm the mind and reduce stress-related eating. Chamomile tea improves sleep, which is important for weight loss. Hibiscus tea reduces fat absorption and improves cholesterol. Peppermint tea suppresses appetite and supports digestion. Drinking herbal tea at night is a healthy alternative to snacking. They promote relaxation and long-term weight management. Drink number 9 is coconut water. Coconut water is naturally low in calories and refreshing. It is rich in electrolytes that keep you hydrated. It prevents fatigue during workouts and restores energy. Coconut water reduces cravings for sugary drinks. It also improves digestion and prevents bloating. Make sure to choose natural, unsweetened coconut water. It is an excellent post-workout recovery drink. Its potassium content balances fluids and reduces water retention. Coconut water supports both hydration and weight loss. Drink number 10 is vegetable juice. Juicing fresh vegetables creates a nutrient-packed drink. Vegetable juices are low in calories but high in fiber. They fill you up and reduce the urge to overeat. Carrots, beets, cucumbers, and celery make excellent juices. Avoid store-bought juices loaded with sugar and preservatives. Fresh homemade vegetable juice is always the best option. It provides vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support fat burning. Vegetable juice also improves skin, digestion, and immunity. 1 glass daily can aid in healthy weight management. Now let us recap the 10 best drinks for weight loss. Number 1 is water. Number 2 is green tea. Number 3 is lemon water. Number 4 is apple cider vinegar with water. Number 5 is black coffee. Number 6 is ginger tea. Number 7 is green smoothies. Number 8 is herbal teas. Number 9 is coconut water. Number 10 is vegetable juice. All these drinks share one thing in common: they are low in calories. They replace unhealthy, high-calorie beverages with healthy alternatives. They boost metabolism and improve digestion. They reduce cravings and keep you full longer. They are natural, safe, and easy to prepare. By including these drinks in your diet, you accelerate weight loss. Remember that drinks alone are not enough. Combine them with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Also, ensure you get enough sleep and manage stress. Weight loss is about the whole lifestyle, not just one habit. Thank you for watching this video on the 10 best drinks for weight loss. I hope these tips help you in your weight loss journey. Start by replacing sugary drinks with one of these healthy options. Over time, you will notice the difference in your energy and body. Do not forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more health and fitness content. Share this video with friends and family who are working on weight loss. Comment below and tell us which drink you will try first. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep working toward your goals. See you in the next video with more powerful tips.